Hi, and welcome to this RMMmax video guide to configuring and setting up Windows agents using the software manager tools in RMMmax. In this video, we'll walk you through the basic operation and configuration process, helping you get started quickly and efficiently, whether you're deploying software or updating it. This guide will provide the insights and tips you need to make the most out of this powerful tool. Let's dive in. We're going to start out with an enabled client and enabled agents. Each of the agents have previously been configured and have been under management for several weeks. This will not be the view you see during first configurations. Scans, deployments, and updates will all need time to run before your view looks like our view. First thing you will need to do once agents are enabled is to configure your agents. I will be focusing on the Windows agents in this video. You need to enable client scans as a minimum. You can also elect to enable auto installs and auto updates. If you enable auto updates, you will need to also create one or more schedules to execute updates. A schedule can be either assigned to a selected location or all locations. Schedules can be either weekly or monthly, and the day and hour you want the updates to be pushed to agents. Selecting a schedule that already exists will modify the schedule already set. You can have an all-location schedule and a location schedule. In this case, the agents would run both schedules. You can mix weekly and monthly schedules. An example would be to assign all locations a monthly schedule and each location a weekly schedule. You can also disable and enable schedules. By default, schedules are disabled, so do not forget to enable your schedule. If you stopped here, this would be enough of a configuration to get the agent scanning and updating existing packages. But there are several optional settings that I will show you that may come in handy. You can add new sources of agents or replace the default source with your own repositories or proxies. Sources allows you to add and manage sources you want to push down to your agents. For Windows agents, the default Chocolatey repository is used, but you can override this action by managing the sources. You can also use this tool to reset all the agents under client sources back to the defaults. The next optional setting is the MSP license deployment tool. This tool allows you to push down to agents the XML license file provided by a Chocolatey.com business license purchase. This is optional and not required to use the RMMmax tools. Approve packages allows you to approve software you'd like to manage and update. You can approve the package in two modes, without requiring it to be auto-installed. Packages like wget and curl are OS independent. Since many package names are the same across OS types, you can select the OS types that package is intended for. The package I am adding, the putty package, is a Windows package, so I am selecting Windows as the OS type. I am leaving the package disabled. This will approve the package, but not force it to auto-install the agents. You can see this by the gray spot on the Windows Enable icon. We can edit this package and change it to auto-install easily. Just select the Enable and update the package. You can see now that the gray spot is now a green spot. The nice fully updated view you see before you typically starts out with out of date and missing data. You will need to allow several days for all the automation needed to set and verify each agent. By selecting an agent, you can visit the agent view. In this view, you can see each of the managed packages and any updates that may be needed along with the last scan, install, and update dates. You can use the settings menu to enable or disable the agent or install a one-off package to the agent. You can select to install any package name or select from the approved packages list. You also view the current sources on the agent and reset the agent sources back to defaults. The Commands menu allows you to manage the agent by launching scans manually, viewing installed Windows software, updating or deleting selected packages, purging the agent's data, and looking at the package error logs. You can view the RMMmax service logs for errors and information on when and what tasks have run against the agent. These logs are in pages and by default show 10 logs per page. You can use the controls to change your view to a larger log count per page and toggle between pages. Logs will include when auto install is run, when scans are performed, and when packages are updated. You can use these logs to help troubleshoot issues you may be having or to verify a function has run recently. Let's navigate back to our client view. Select the client, and then select the Software Manager tab. You can see all the logs for each of the agents in the client log view. It also allows you to expand the page's size and scroll through pages of logs for all the agents under this client. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful in understanding the basic operation and configuration of the Software Manager tool in RMMax. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and tutorials. Until next time, happy managing.